Hi students, I hope you all are doing well. This is Edwin. Today we are going to learn lesson 15. Lesson 15 talks about different battles which took place all over the world. We know that battles are memorable things which took place years back. We also remember the person who led the battle. So in this lesson 15 we are going to learn the different battles name and the person who led that battle. Let's go. Lesson 15 talks about famous battles in history. The history of the world has been shaped by several key battles fought across the world. Here are 8 statements about famous battles. Each has 2 blanks. One is the name of the battle and the other refers to a personality linked to the battle. In the fill in the blanks, these statements using the words providing in the help box. There are 8 questions which given in this in the lesson. So we have to fill the blanks. There are 2 blanks given. We have to fill these 2 blanks by the help of this help box. Question number 1. In 1526, the invading forces of Dash fought against the Lohi army in the first Battle of Dash, which is now an industrial town in Haryana. हरियाणा के इंडस्ट्रियल टाउन था, एक जगह है, उधर एक बैटल हुआ था. कौन सा जगह है? द फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ पानीपत was fought between the invading forces of Babur and the Lohi Empire. बाबर और लोही एम्पायर के उनके ऊपर था. बाबर ने एक बैटल फाउट किया है. कौन सा जगह में था? पानीपत में. In 21st April 1526 in North India. It marked the beginning of the Mughal Empire. मुगल एम्पायर का पहले शुरू में ये बैटल हुआ है. दिस वाज वन ऑफ द एर्लीस्ट बैटल इन्वॉल्विंग गन पावर्ड फायर आर्मीज एंड फील्ड आर्टिलरी. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन्वेडिंग फोर्सेस ऑफ बाबर. फर्स्ट ब्लैंक में बाबर लिख रहे हैं, सेकंड ब्लैंक में क्या लिख रहे हैं? पानीपत. द सेकंड क्वेश्चन, in 1757, Robert Dash led the British against Siraj ud Dawla in the Battle of Dash, whose name is a anglicized version of the flame red palas flowers that grow in the region. एक फ्लावर का नाम था, उसका नाम है the person name is Robert Clive, CLIV, Clive, led the British against the Surajpur Tawul in the battle of, कौन सा बैटल में था? Plassey, PLASSEY, Plassey. I have the photo which took place. Maybe this was made the photo. The battle of Plassey was a decisive victory of the British East Indian Company over the Nawab of Bengal of this French allies on 23rd June 1757 under the leadership of Robert Clive, which was possible due to the defection of Mir Jafar Ali Khan. Mir Jafar Ali Khan ने ये फाउट किया है. वो कौन था? Who was the Suraj ul Dawat commander. He was the ये Suraj ul Dawat का कमांडर था, उनका चीफ कमांडर था. उन्होंने ये फाउट किया है, ये Plassey. The name of the battle is Plassey. So the third question goes like this. The Dash, the battle ruler of Mewar, fought the battle of Dash against the Mughals in 1576. कौन ये फाउट किया है? Dash, the brave ruler of Mewar. Ruler of Mewar का कौन था नाम? What is the name of the person? The name of the person is Rana Pratap. Rana Pratap ने ये बैटल फाउट किया है. ये बैटल का नाम क्या था? हल्दी Gatti. The name of the battle is Haldi Gatti. So we will see. So this is the picture. You can see this palace or this place is in Rajasthan. Rajasthan में उनका palace है. आप जब राजस्थान में जाकर देख सकते हैं. The home place of the visiting Rajasthan, the places to visit in Rajasthan. Okay, Kamnoor. The place name is Kamnoor. What is the battle name? Haldi Gatti. Okay, the battle name is Haldi Gatti. So the fourth question, the Battle of Dash was found in 1815 near the small town Today in Belgium में एक small town था अभी, between the French army led by Dash and the army of seventh coalition. Okay, who fought this battle? Fourth question, who fought this battle? Waterloo. The Napoleon was fought this battle, but the battle of what is the name of the battle? Waterloo. WAT or Waterloo. The battle name. Who fought this battle? Who led this battle? Napoleon. Okay, I will show the picture also. So this is the picture. The battle of Waterloo was fought on Sunday, 18 June 1815, near Waterloo in Belgium, part of the United Kingdom and Netherlands at the time. उस टाइम था यूनाइटेड किंगडम नेदरलैंड का अंडर था. अभी चाइना के अंदर है, बेल्जियम. ओके, नाउ वी गो फॉरवर्ड. Uh, 15. The Battle of Dash was the naval encounter found in 1805 by the Royal Navy, commanded by the Admiral Lord Dash, against the combined fleet of the French and the Spanish navies. कौन सा battle था? The Battle of Trafalgar. Okay, the Battle of Trafalgar. Who led this battle? Nelson led this battle. The Battle of Trafalgar, Nelson led this battle against Spanish navies. Spanish navies को और French navy को वो उनको भागने के लिए they led this battle. Now 8th question, the siege of Dash was the final confrontation of the 4th Anglo-Mysore War between the British East India Company and Mysore, led by Dash, who died in this battle. कौन सा battle था? The siege of, what is the name of the battle? Serinjikapattanam. Okay, the name of the battle is Serinjikapattanam. I have visited this place, Mysore. I have saw this place. Okay, so Serinjikapattanam, this battle was fought by Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan was fought this battle, 4th Anglo, what battle? 4th Anglo-Mysore War. And 4th Anglo-Mysore War. Okay, the 7th one, the siege of Dash occurred during the 100 Years War between English and French, in which the French were led by the heroic young peasant girl. So the name of the battle is the 100-Year War. The name of the battle is 100-Year War. So, and the other name is Orleans. Orleans, Orleans War. So who led this battle? Joan of Arc. Maybe I will show this thing, then you will understand. So this is the thing. The 100 Years War was serious and conflicted in West Europe from 1337 to 1453, waged between the house of Plantagenet, ruler of the Kingdom of England, and the house of the Valois over the right to rule the Kingdom of the France. Each side drew many allies of the war. Both लोग उस दिन मर गया था. So this war, okay, this war, sorry, okay. Now we'll go forward. The 8th question. 8th question. I hope you understand the answers. 7th question, first fill in the blanks is Orion, and second one is Joan of Arc, Joan, Joan of Arc. The answer is in the last page. Okay. The 8th one, in 480 BC, King Dash of Sparta tried to stop the invading Persian army led by the Caesars won at the Battle of Dash. This battle is the subject of the recent Hollywood film. एक recent Hollywood film का subject था, इस battle है, battle का नाम है. So who led this battle and what is the name of the battle? Leonidas fought this battle, and Thermopylae, the battle name is Thermopylae was the battle name. Thermopylae spelling Thrmopylae. Thermopylae is the battle name. Leonidas, Leonidas. Leonidas led this battle. Thank you very much. This battle took place in Greek defeat. Okay, in 1970 BC, the Greek defeated the Persian of the famous battle at Marathon. Okay, I have this maybe. Yeah. The Battle of Thermopylae was fought between the alien of Greek city, state led by the 480 and Caesar have amassed a massive army against the navy and set out the conquer of all Greece. I hope you have understand this lesson, answer these lessons. Thank you. Subscribe when you get time. Subscribe this video. Thank you.